Hi viewers, Samannath, Small Steps Trader channel. So before going to this video, today's tidbit. The market is not your mother. It consists of tough men and women who looks for ways to take money from you rather than pouring warm milk into your mouth. So market is the stuff. Don't think that it is a angel. There is a angel, good angel or bad angel. So market we cannot by seeing the appearance whether it is good angel or bad angel. So that's how we have to be aware of it. So market will see all means of possibilities to take money from the traders. So be cautious on it. So it never give milk to you. Only it will send off somebody. You may see in the newses. They borrow money and invest, then finally they make themselves pass away. So that way market give you milk, that's it. So be aware of it, be very cautious. So always improvise your skills, psychology and discipline. Only that will make you to sustain in the market and succeed in the market. Okay, now we will go to the video. Before the disclaimer, I am not a registered advisor. Whatever I am speaking here are my views and for learning purpose. Always you do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. Only that lead you to a successful trader and investor in long run. Okay, now we'll go to the video. So this is gold, silver, crude and natural gas future and options contract expiries for your reference. So for commodity trader, index tracking is much important. So first we will see that. So if you see the US dollar index, it is traveling in a channel. It properly respecting channel support and resistance. So that way, after it touching this support, it moved towards resistance. So it gone bit more than that. So we cannot say it is a breakout and the downturn is started. So by seeing a day chart, you come to know that still it is not. If you see the day chart, it is still respecting the channel support and resistance. So that way, see it gone outside, again it came inside the channel. So now exactly at a resistance level. So if the next move would be in the downside, you can see it will come to 101.5. From here $2 it will come in the downside. So if it comes $2 downside, we can expect quite price upper side price movement in gold and silver. So this about dollar. Now we will see gold. So gold, if you see after the week's beginning, it has had a big gap up and it came down. So if you see this way, it's in the sideways zone since a couple of sessions. So there is no much price movement. So there is no direction now. So there are possibilities it will go in the upper side, but still the upper side movement is yet to confirm. So if you see the weekly chart, you will come further confirmation. If you see the global chart, it respected the resistance. It unable to sustain above the resistance. So probably maybe next week we can expect that. So this shadow, upper shadow, it had a gap up. So now to move in the further, there should not be any gap up. It has to travel gradually and break the resistance and have a good closure in the above this target, above this resistance level. Then only will further progress we can expect. So this is about gold. So now we will see silver. So this is also very much similar to gold. If you see the price action, it exactly replicating the gold price pattern. And if you see the price action also, there is no still strong confirmation whether in the downside or upside. The same thing you can see in the indicator. So MACD, it is at the zero line, So at zero line in the sense there is no upper side or downside confirmation. So if you see the RSI, it is very much close to the 50 mark. So both indicator and price action, it clearly indicating that it's in the sideways. So wait for the either one of the side confirmation, then you will take the position. And if you see the weekly chart, so the weekly chart, just a moment. So the weekly chart exactly showing that it touched the target in the gap up itself, but it couldn't able to break the target. So it looks like engulfing, but still I think the price will go in the upper side only. The reason is we saw that in the dollar, the price movement we can expect in the downside $2. So in that case, it will go in the upper side. So we will see bullion index. So that is the collective index of gold and silver. That is similar to our Nifty. For 50 stocks, how Nifty are there. So gold and silver, there is a index in MCX called bullion index. So it has 64% of gold weightage and 36% of silver weightage. So this price, this movement will collectively give the collective price movement of gold and silver. So that also clearly shows that it is in the sideways. This is the 4-hour chart, and if you see the weekly chart, it exactly replicating the gold price movement. And see here, still it is showing in the long. So that's what I am saying. Though in the 4-hour chart, gold and silver showing the sideways movement, but I feel it is still in the upper side movement are possible. So based on this only, I saying that. So still possibilities there are, price may go in the higher side. So yet we have to get confirmation in the weekly chart for the downside movement. Otherwise, you don't take any short position right now. For gold and silver, wait for the confirmation, either in the upside or downside, then take the moment. So this is about bullion. Now we will see crude oil. So crude oil, as we expected, it came down to 5,880 we are expected. So further it has came down, and now it is resting at 5,800. In case if we go further downside, up to where it will go. So if you see the weekly chart, so presently 70.3. so if that happens, it may go maximum $65. So if it comes to $65, this is in MCX, what would be the price? So 65 into 84, we can expect 5,500, 460. So roughly we can take that 5,500 would be the next target if the downturn is continuous. So if not, as we already said, the range 6,000 to 6,500. So we can expect 6,500 would be the next target if it confirms in the reversal. If not reversal is confirmed, there are possibilities it will go till 5,500. So this is about crude oil. Now we will see natural gas. So natural gas, it broke that channel support, and it's trading below the support line. So seeing this portion, if you see the downtrend is still continuous, and if you see the in global contact, the downtrend is continuous. So this is the overall trend. The yellow is the overall trend. This violet is the present minor trend, we can say. So if this trend is continuous, until where the price will go, that we will see in weekly chart. So if you see the weekly chart, this is the level we can expect, $2. If it is $2, 284, 168. So in MCX we expect close to 17, around 170, in and above some 5 to 10 points we can take the tolerance, but 170 we can expect. So from here another 35 points it may come down if the trend continues in the downside. If not, if it gives the upper side, it reverses, it started reverses, it will go to the channel resistance. That would be, if you see here, 300 is earlier, it was gone to 300. We will see in the 4-hour chart, that will give clear picture. So this is the 300 would be the target if the reversals confirms. So 300 would be the target. I hope this video would be very much useful and informative to you. So carefully take the position, and wish you all the best. See you next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.